Let's see. Playing with dirt.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna come out of the side.
Oh, wait, the scientist is gonna turn into a poacher. Oh. Oh, snap.
Hey, I got a gun now.
Do you see the big guys?
Freaking muzzle flash.
Wait, no. His reaction's even
Yeah, like...
The fuck?
He's still falling.
Oh, the drink. So why did
I have you. Now my work is almost complete.
So why?
Dude, it's a toy airplane!
So why did a fire
They zoomed in
blast?
on a toy airplane.
Why
You
did a
kidding me?
fire blast come out of a tranquilizer gun?
What's left of her.
Still here?
That's definitely a toy airplane just zoomed in.
Yeah, natives are terrible at this place. Let's talk about the night the big bird fell from the sky.
So Tarzina is Bradley's daughter.
There's no other explanation. But
Toy airplane.